Hello everyone, my name is Maria and I'm the Director of Lead Qualification here at SUNation, and I would like to take a few minutes of your time to go over Community Solar with you. Community Solar is a program that allows anyone to take advantage of the clean energy that is produced by an array of panels installed in a sunny location. Throughout the year, you will receive credits towards your energy bill without having solar on your home. Renters, condo, HOA dwellers, homeowners with permit, shading, or credit issues, this is perfect for you. To understand what you are paying per kilowatt, let's look at the sample PSE&G bill. If you were to look at the total charges line at the bottom, $614.33, and subtract the basic service charge of $10.08, the cost per energy usage is $604.25. Next, divide $604.25 by the total electricity used in the billing cycle, 3,021 kilowatts, and the cost per kilowatt is 20 cents. With SUNation Community Solar, the cost would be 16 cents per kilowatt. For this bill, there would be a savings of $120.89 for the PSE&G customer. You will always get a bill from PSE&G for at least the basic service charge of 36 cents per day. In this example, it was the $10.08 charge. Your reduced electric consumption charges will now come from SUNation Energy, which will be based on the amount of kilowatt hours that your system will produce. This amount will fluctuate on a month-to-month basis. For example, in the summer when the sun is out longer, the system will produce more kilowatt hours than it will in the winter months. SUNation will be able to determine the percentage of energy that your home will require based on your past 12 months usage. There are no upfront charges, and you can opt out after 1 year with 60 days notice. All you need is to have your name on the PSE&G bill. The next step will be for you to send me a copy of your PSE&G bill so I can show you your savings. My email is mmartin@sunnation.com, or feel free to give me a call at 631-750-9454. Space is limited, so if you're interested, please act quickly. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.